Hello everybody, my name is Belema and welcome to her online brand. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start your online business from scratch. I'm going to give you 5 easy steps that you can follow to help you get your first online business from start. And if you want to learn that, stick to the end of the video and keep watching. Alright, let's dive into it. So I know that by now you must have heard a lot of things about starting your online business. Everybody has an online business nowadays and everybody's talking about how to make money on the internet and how to make money online. But you may be thinking, alright, so yes, I know this is possible because I have seen a lot of videos or I've seen a lot of people, but how exactly do I get started? What is the very first step that I need to take? And that's what I'm about to tell you. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, the first thing that you need to know when you want to start an online business is what kind of online business should I start with, right? What kind of business is perfect for me? What kind of business should I be starting with? Now, when you say online business, it covers a lot of things, but you have to figure out which online business is good for you. So the first thing I want to tell you is that there are 2 major types of online business that you can start. The first kind of online business you can start is what is called a service-based business. So this is the kind of business that is just basically you offer services in exchange for payments, right? It's pretty simple, it's straightforward. And then the second type of business that you can start is called a product-based business. Now, this kind of business can be a digital product or a physical product, but all of it is still online, right? So these are the 2 main kind of businesses that you can start. And now there are a couple of differences between both of them, and I'm just going to tell you right away what they are. So in service-based business, since it is basically you offering services and you giving your skills in exchange for payment, it's really low cost to start up. As a matter of fact, you need $0 to get started in a service-based business. But for a product-based business, that might kind of be different. Now, if you want to do a product-based business, it could be, like I said, digital products or physical products. Now, if you're doing digital products, then you first need to create the product. Say you're giving an ebook, or you want to do an online course, or you want to do some kind of training or workshop. Either way, you have to first create the product before you can begin selling. And then if it's a physical product, well, you need to first set up your shop. You need to choose what kind of product you'll be selling. You have to decide if you want to do like a drop shipping route, or you're actually creating a product like handmade product, as opposed to a service-based business that you can just actually go out there and find out who needs your services, and then you can get started. So first of all, you need to decide, do you want to go the service-based business route, or do you want to go to the product-based business route? I personally run a service-based business, and it was really easy for me to start up. I've already mentioned a bit about it in the first step, but in this step, you really have to decide what you want to sell. Now, if you're selling services, obviously you need to choose what kind of services you'll be selling. There are a lot of services that you can offer online. You could offer things like typing, you can write essays for people, you can build websites, you can offer coaching and consulting services. It totally depends. As a matter of fact, you can take what you have learned if you did go to college, or maybe in high school or secondary school. You can take whatever you have learned in those schools and just take those services and apply them online, right? But you still have to decide what you want to offer. So the easiest things to offer if you're going the service-based route would be to offer services or skills that you are comfortable with. Now, you don't need to be an absolute expert. You just need to know more than the client you're offering your services to. That's all you need to know. So once you know that, you need to go and look for people who need those services, and then voila, your business has started, right? And then if you're going the product-based route, you have to choose what product you want to sell as well. So if you're going the physical product route, you have to choose what physical product you want to sell. Do you want to sell socks? Do you want to make handmade goods? Do you want to ship things that maybe you want to sell makeup, or you want to sell any of this products? I mean, there are 1,000 things. You can just go on Amazon and keep scrolling endlessly. A lot of people sell different things. You can also kind of do drop shipping, where you don't actually handle the inventory, but you drop ship. Now, I'm not an expert at drop shipping, so I'm not just going to go into that. Now, if you want to offer a digital product that is completely digital, there's no physical shipping of anything involved, that's a different thing entirely. So you need to create the product. Now, usually a digital product is a product that you have to create. So if it's a workshop, it's something that you already know how to do, and then you maybe record videos of you doing it, maybe videos, or you compile a step-by-step broken down instruction of how to do that thing, and then you put it into a PDF or like a book form, and then you sell it as a digital product. It's really easy, and there are lots of software nowadays that you can easily use to create your digital product and start selling. So that's the second step. You need to decide what you want to sell. And I would advise that you choose something that you are actually passionate about and something that you know about, because you don't want to go around scamming people or end up starting a business selling something that you absolutely do not care about. You get burnt out in the end. All right. So number 3, what is the third thing that you need to know? You need to choose the audience that you'll be selling these products to. Now, I know that it may seem like, all right, I'm going to sell makeup, but who are you selling makeup to? There's some people that sell makeup to higher end celebrity kind of people. Those are the people they target. That's how they make the makeup, and that's how they market it as well. Rather, some people will sell their makeup as affordable makeup, or you can sell your makeup as ethical makeup, non-animal tested, and all of that kind of good stuff. You have to choose which group of people are you going to target for this particular product. Who are these people that you want to market to in such a way that they feel like this product or this service was made exactly for me. In the service-based route, I will give you an example of what I have done. So when I first started out, I was selling services to everybody, like any Jane, her mother, her sister, anybody that just comes around and says, can you do this? The answer is always yes. Now, I decided you market to everybody, you market to nobody. So I decided to focus on coaches and course creators. And once I did that, it was really easy. I was just marketing to coaches and course creators, and I knew what they needed, so I always said what they needed, and I'm like, I can help you do this as a coach, I can help you do this if you're selling a course and things like that. And it was really easy for me to get clients because they felt like I knew what they needed, rather than selling services to all these other people. Now, the services I offer are easily transferable to other niches, but I have chosen that niche and that audience to sell my services to, and that way you can easily be established as an expert in that niche, right? The same goes for your products. Whatever you want to sell, you just have to choose who you're going to sell those products to, and then you market to them, and they'll feel like, yes, this is for me. They understand me. They know what I need, and this is what I need to buy. Credit card, swipe, cha-ching, done. All right, number 4 thing. All right, the 4th thing that you need to do is to set up your business. Now, this is obviously a more elaborate process that I cannot go into in this video, but I can explain something to you. For you to set up your business, the first thing that you want to do is to choose a business name, because that is what people will know you by. That's how people will refer to you. Imagine if we all had to refer to all makeup companies as the makeup company that has a pink palette that used this girl as a model and all of that. That would just be ridiculous. You have to choose a name that you will go by. Now, I'll just give you a rundown of simple things that you need to set up as a business. Now, you need to choose a business name. If you're in a country that needs registration for businesses, you need to register it. You need to go on social media and open all your social media accounts so that somebody else does not take your business name. And before you choose a business name, make sure to check that the name you're going with has not been copyrighted. For example, you cannot start a business as Victor's Secret because there's already Victoria's Secret, and it might just seem like a clash or like you're trying to steal their company name and idea, right? You need to come up with something unique and memorable and something that means something to you, that people can refer to you as credible. Nobody wants to buy from a ghost or somebody that seems like just dropped on the face of the earth. You have to make yourself look credible even though you're just starting from day one, because I want to believe that you're a credible and honest person. Number 5 thing that you need to do now to get your online business fully started is to announce that you've started your business, and then you start marketing it. Most people think that once they set up everything, they've put out their social media platforms, they have a website up, they have a product, that people will just magically, like maybe fairies will come to their ears and tell them, this business is open, come and buy, or something like that. I have no idea. So what you need to do is you need to go out there and tell the whole world that I have started a business, I am so proud of it, and I want you guys to come and check it out, right? That's how it works. The world is a very huge place, even though it's small on the internet, but you still need to tell people that you exist. You need to drag attention to yourself. This is one of the few times when it is perfectly okay to just drag all the attention to yourself. Because if you're selling something, I want to believe that you believe in that product and you believe that your clients or whoever you're selling to needs your product. You need to tell them that, hey, this thing that you need, I have created it, I have it, come and buy it. Today, not tomorrow, come now, because you need it, right? That's what you need to do. You need to go out there, you need to announce it on social media. If you want to run some ads, run some ads. If you want to go through the influencer marketing route where you go in and then people give you shout out, whatever the case is, whatever plan that you have to go out there and get your product and your business and your message out, right? You need to go where your clients are gathered, and you need to find clients, and then you start your business. You get paid for and you get paid for your expertise, and you get paid for the products that you're selling. So that's it. Those are the 5 easy steps that you need to do to get your online business started from the ground up. This is the basis and the foundation of starting an online business. Without this, I don't really know. So that's how you get your online business started. Now, there's something I want to throw in and add, is that whenever people start an online business, they think that the first day is just going to take off and it's going to solve all their problems. As with everything, it takes time, right? When you start your online business, it's like a tiny seed in the ground and it will grow, but you have to give it time and you have to nurture it. So remember to hang in there. I personally recommend that you should do a business idea for up to 6 months. When you decide that this is a bad idea and then you don't do it anymore, you have to stick with it. You have to stay with it and make sure that this is absolutely, without a doubt, a bad idea, right? And you need to understand also that an idea that is good for somebody else is not necessarily good for you. Right? Somebody might be doing drop shipping and making $1 million, but it might not be for you. There are so many reasons why a particular business idea may not work for you. It might be your personality, it might be your lifestyle, it might be your interest as a person, and that's okay. You just have to find what you love, what works for you, and then you go out there and you do it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you love the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our online brand. I'll be bringing you videos every week, and I'll be telling you how to start, run, scale, and grow your online business. Until next time, see ya. Bye-bye.